Fáilte chuig Rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website. Today we're looking at hUimhreacha Pearsanta, the special numbers used to count people. We don't have this in English, so these rules just need to be learned off. A quick heads up, you need to know the Tishul Ginnadocht Ulra and the Uimhreacha Na Pearsanta before learning this. Here are the Uimhreacha Pearsanta from 1 to 12. Dinna Awan, Bert, Truer, Cahir, Cúigear, Shesher, Shochter, Uachtar, Nainur, Dehnur, Ein Dinna Dhéag, Dáréag. As always in Irish, there are some tricky little rules to go with these words. When counting between 2 and 10 people, the Uimhreacha Pearsanta comes first, followed by the animucal in its Tishul Ginnadocht Ulra form. For example, Truer Mock Lane and Nainur Deforacha. The word Bert puts a shevu on the animucal after it, except if the animucal starts with a D, S or T. So Bert Van, but Bert Dagoy. We never use the word dinna with the Uimhreacha Pearsanta because they are words only used for counting people, so it's assumed that that's included. You'll be happy to hear that when counting more than 12 people, we just use the Bun Uimhreacha and their rules. Agus sinné. If you haven't already, do check out www.wronggaeilge.com for a downloadable 10-point summary, activity questions and answers on this topic, and much, much more.